Hi and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the best 5 altcoins to buy right now. These 5 altcoins are about to see massive gains. It's looking like it's about to be an extremely bullish Q4 for crypto, so make sure you guys watch until the end because this video is fire. Welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high-quality content and high-quality financial education. Now before we get into today's video, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video. And please consider subscribing to the channel as it massively supports us. Now let's not waste any more time and get into it. Starting off today's video with one of the most hyped coins of this month, Avalanche. Currently priced at $58.15, I could see Avalanche hitting $75 in the next few weeks. I don't know too much about Avalanche personally, but I do know that there is a massive amount of hype around this coin at the moment, and hype always equals gains. It is also an altogether good project that has a great team behind it, and I believe it has a bright future ahead. It's also worth mentioning that the coin is at an all-time high at the moment. Now getting to the second coin of today's video, it is going to be Phantom. Currently priced at $1.45, I could see Phantom hitting the $2 mark in the coming weeks. Phantom is an open-source smart contract platform for dApps and digital assets. The platform enables faster transactions and costs a fraction of a cent. FTM is based on the proof-of-stake model, hence providing a high amount of security. It is highly scalable, EVM compatible, and developer-friendly, as the users can start building on Phantom using Solidity. Algorand, currently priced at $2.41, Algorand's price is skyrocketing just now and isn't showing any signs of letting up. Algorand is a decentralized blockchain-based network that supports a wide range of applications. The system is secure, scalable, and efficient. ILGO aims to speed up transactions and improve the platform's efficiency. The ecosystem offers faster transactions, as well as no mining, as it is based on the proof-of-stake model. Cosmos. Currently priced at $34.27, Cosmos price is also skyrocketing just now, and I could easily see it hitting $50 before the end of the year. Cosmos, which makers term as the Internet of Blockchains, is an ecosystem of interconnected apps and services built for decentralized applications. The platform offers a 99% lower carbon footprint and the transaction fee is 1 cent. Polkadot. Currently priced $36.12, Polkadot's price is also going up a lot right now, and it's another coin that doesn't look to be slowing anytime soon. Polkadot is an open-source multi-chain platform that facilitates the interoperability of a wide range of blockchains with each other. It offers cross-chain transfer of all data types, including tokens. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Now, if you want to know 7 money secrets the rich don't want you to know, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.